The Equipmed PowerCruise LongRange XL offers the freedom to travel up to an impressive 20 kilometres on a single charge. Crafted from high-grade materials, this supremely sturdy wheelchair can accommodate riders of up to 130 kilograms. The plush seat is the widest in the range at 52 centimetres across, making it comfortable for riders of all sizes. And easy fold footrests make every outing a pleasure. The joystick offers precise control to navigate tight corners with ease. Powerful dual motors effortlessly deal with hills. A brake automatically engages when the wheelchair is stopped, and there are anti-tip wheels for added peace of mind. 4-point suspension and big 16-inch rear air-filled tyres ensure that it rolls smoothly on a range of surfaces. Swing-away armrests allow for access to tables, which makes it easy to catch up with friends. And it can be ready to load into a car in less than a minute. More than a journey, it's about the joy and independence that's gained every day with the PowerCruise LongRange XL.